To create human in Infinite Craft, first you have to take fire. In fire, add wind to create smoke. Then take water and add fire to water to create steam. Then add earth to the steam to create mud. Then take wind, add earth to the wind to create dust. Add earth to dust to create a planet. Then take smoke, add water to the smoke to create fog. Add fog to planet to create Venus. Then add mud to Venus to create Adam. Add Venus to Adam to create Eve. Then add Adam to Eve to create a human. And that's how you make a human in Infinite Craft. Thanks for watching.